Hey guys, today we're at this quick Quack car wash down like in Spring Cypress and North Elbridge Parkway intersection in Tomball. And we purchased the Lucky Duck. I stop, put the car in neutral, foot off the brake, and let the wash begin. Wow, that was quick. Looks like they update this system. I've been to this car wash before a long time ago. So yeah, we got a Sonny system. So let's get started. Starting off with pre-soak and lava. Whoa, that's new. More soap. Now we're getting tri-foam. Now we get emitter. Yeah, they had a new high pressure system, looks like it. Oh yeah, look at that. They actually did update. Oh god. Okay, it sounds a little aggressive. Now I'm getting clear coat protectant, spot free rinse, and an air dry. They are AVW blowers. Oh, look at that sign, it's like jiggling. Dryers are doing a fine job. Go. Alright, so this is how the car wash did. I'm very disappointed with the results because look at this. There's soap all over the car. I am deeply shocked because I've been to this car wash a lot of times before and never left soap. And now, look at this. I think it got worse. But the good news is the car is clean though. Really did a good job. The dryers did a mediocre job. It did alright. I'll give it a I'll give it a 7.5 out of there's soap in the I'll give it a 7 out of 10. 7.5. Yeah, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Really shiny. If it's like water spots all over, I'll give it a 7, but although it did a good job. 7.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching.